So here we've got a TDF Roll Former. It's a 14 station machine. 18 gauge to 24 gauge capacity on the TDF rolls. It comes standard with the clip rolls on the opposite side, which are 22 gauge capacity. You've got your optional jog button for doing small parts or your fittings when you're needing to feed that through. Small parts feeder is here as well to clamp the material onto, and it feeds along the track. We'll run some material through here for you to show you what the profile looks like. There's your TDF profile. There's your clip for putting your TDF profile together. Strip width is 2 1/8 for the clip rolls. For any more information on this piece or any other great equipment we offer here, give us a call at 1-800-665-8089 or visit our website at empire-machinery.com.